Introducing the Gorilla Grip Magnetic Screen Door. Constructed from heavy-duty mesh, it provides protection from insects. Strong magnets effortlessly clasp together to keep the screen door steady and in place. Hands-free design allows easy entry when your hands are full, and is a great option for homes with pets. Easy to install. Simply adhere the tape to the door frame and attach the screen. And it fits most size door frames.
Step one, after stripping.
Put down the door frame, and then you're going to measure to center, and then you're going to install this Velcro. Okay, so lay your door out on the floor, and now we're going to put the Velcro strips. All the way to the end, and then we're going to trim it.
Just enough. Cut it right there.
Center it.
Listen.
Okay. Okay, awesome.
Here?
Yep, down that. Oh good, it goes all the way down. Perfect. Nice, those are nice. Those are a little longer than a normal tack.
For your head. That's how you tie it back.
Yeah. It's got little, in case you want to open the door. Packs, and then it just opens, and then you let it go, and it sucks itself right back together.
Okay.